Hello everybody on YouTube. I have this app here. I actually did a review on this app before, but there was one feature that the other app didn't have. Well, I don't mean the app, I mean the phone that I had before. Which, when this goes off, it uses the camera flash also as the flash that's on here. So, I'm going to do it again. I have the iPhone 5C from Sprint. It's the green one. So, I'm going to show you all the different sounds again. See it? See how that does that? Because it's the... go to about, because it has the different that. There you go. That was the fire alarm app for iPhone 5C. I actually have another video I'm going to do right after this one, so stay tuned for that one to be uploaded.